Hi kabahay, so another ready for occupancy na naman ang ating sisilipin ngayon here at the Park Place Village here in Anabuy, Cavite along Aguinaldo Highway. So this is ready for occupancy, single attached unit, complete finish turnover, and syempre meron itong lot area of 130 square meters and floor area of 175 square meters. Tara check natin ang ating property. So before we enter mga kabahay, ito po ang ating carport area. So itong carport area natin ay kaya mag-accommodate ng dalawang sasakyan. Ito po ang ating wide frontage. Meron na rin po tayong included na fence and gate upon turnover. By the way mga kabahay, itong property sa likod ko, as you can see, ito po ang isa sa mga pinaka-fresh nating project dito sa ating Park Place Village. So tara check natin ang ating property inside. So upon entering mga kabahay dito sa ating porch area, meron tayong dalawang pocket garden. And on this side naman, ang ating flooring is non-skid tiles. Meron tayo ditong access papunta sa ating main door. And this one is the carport area. So as you can see, half size covered po ang ating carport. Naka-pebbles po ang ating flooring. And may access tayo dito na setback area papunta sa ating service area. So from here sa ating service area, meron na tayong provision for your automatic washing machine. May provision na rin po ng outlet and water supply. And on this side naman po is the lavatory. And this one naman po is an extra space for your dirty kitchen. So from the main door mga kabahay, ito po ay made of solid wood and meron tayong keypad lock for your security. Ito po ang ating staircase going to the second floor. Meron tayo ditong awning window for your natural lighting dito sa ground floor. And of course, meron tayo ditong powder room sa ating ground floor. So kabahay, this is the living area. And on this living area, meron tayong access papunta sa ating lanay area. So dahil may sliding door dito, may additional ventilation tayo dito and natural lighting na papasok from the outside. On this side naman mga kabahay will be your dining area and kitchen area. So as you can see, maluwag ang ating space. Ang ating kitchen area ay merong built-in cabinet which is over and under. On this place is the refrigerator area. And then this one is also included upon turnover the gas range. Meron tayo ditong imported quartz stone double bowl kitchen sink. And then syempre meron din tayo ditong pull-out storage for your foods. Isa sa highlights ng ating property mga kabahay is the bedroom number 1 sa ating ground floor. So dito sa ground floor, kung kayo ay may kasamang elders, pwede nyo po itong i-convert as guest room also. Meron tayo ditong provision for window type aircon, merong sliding window, and the good thing is meron tayo ditong own toilet and bath, and meron tayo ditong built-in cabinets na floor to ceiling ang height. Let's check the bedroom 1's toilet and bath. So as you can see dito sa ating toilet and bath sa ating bedroom 1, complete fixtures po ito. Meron na rin pong naka-allocate na space for your bathroom needs. So meron itong lavatory, shower enclosure. So ang ating staircase mga kabahay is made of concrete and wood. Meron tayo ditong sliding window. Meron tayo ditong high ceiling. So pwede tayo maglagay ng chandelier sa area ng ating staircase. And dito sa bedroom number 2, kasya dito ang single to double size bed. Meron tayo ditong window on both sides. May provision for window type aircon, the vanity area, and syempre hindi mawawala ang ating built-in cabinet na floor to ceiling, and ang ating own toilet and bath dito sa bedroom number 2. Tara, silipin natin ang ating master's bedroom. So dito sa master's bedroom mga kabahay, meron tayong access papunta sa ating balcony area. Ang ating room ay kaya mag-accommodate ng double to queen size bed. Good thing dito mga kabahay, meron na rin tayo ditong vanity area and built-in cabinet, and compared to bedroom 1 and 2, mas malaki ang ating cabinets here. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating master's toilet and bath. Tara, pasukin natin ang ating master's toilet and bath. So dito sa master's toilet and bath, complete fixtures din po ito upon turnover. May lavatory, may mirror, meron na rin tayo ditong bathtub, shower enclosure, and on this side naman is a toilet seat with bidet. Tara kabahay, lipat tayo sa ating balcony area. So dito sa balcony area, makikita nyo ang surroundings ng ating community. Marami pang puno na nakatanim dito, and good thing dito dahil nakaka-cover ito ng sunlight. And syempre maganda ang ventilation at pasok ng hangin sa ating property. Kabahay, nagustuhan mo ba ang ating featured property here in the Park Place Village? This property is amounting to 10.3 as of now, mga kabahay. Dahil as of August 10, effective ang ating price increase. And kung ikaw ay interested to view this property or reserve this property, please send us a message ASAP at 0916-518-4710. Again, this is Juan Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching, kabahay.